bird. This is a yellow big fat hen. She has yellow-brown wings. She has a thin brown head. She has pointed red feet. She has a small yellow beak. Yellow big fat hen lives in a dirty shed. Hen's nest is in the shed, made up of dry grass. She lays her eggs in her round, cozy nest. Yellow bird is crying upset. Big fat hen wants to sit on her eggs. She wants to hatch her lovely eggs. She cannot find all her eggs and is worried. She laid 10 eggs. She cried. Now there are only 5 eggs in the nest. Where they are lost. Where are the other eggs? Cried Fat Hen. Yellow Fat Hen cried for her eggs. She finds 3 eggs in the white deep net. How did they get there? She was amazed. She pushed them back into the nest. She finds 2 eggs in the grass. Hen smiled. Yellow Hen pushes those eggs back slowly into her cozy nest. Now all the lovely white eggs are in the nest, shouted Hen. Yellow Bird flaps her wings vigorously and says, Wow, wow, all my eggs are in my nest. Yellow Big Fat Hen sits on her lovely white round eggs. She will keep them warm and alive. Soon, hairy tiny baby chicks will come out from the eggs and see the world. Hots. Do you know the hen sits on its eggs to keep them warm to hatch them? Then the chicks come out of the eggs. Do other birds also do the same? Self-activity. From the story, write yes or no for the following statements. The hen had red wings. No. She has a yellow beak. Yes. She laid 8 eggs. No. She found 3 eggs in the net. Yes. She found 4 eggs in the grass. No. Match the words in the columns to make meaningful sentences. Write these sentences in your notebook. Yellow hen lives in a shed. She lays 10 eggs. She cannot find all her eggs. Yellow hen keeps the eggs warm. Do it yourself. Read these words aloud. Bet, get, met, net, pet, ted, red, hen, 10, peg. Self-activity. Answer the following questions orally. How many eggs did the yellow hen lay? The yellow hen laid 10 eggs. Where did she live? She lived in a dirty shed. Where did she find her 3 eggs? She found her 3 eggs in the white deep net. Let's know words. Match the pictures with the words. Nest, chick, wings, grass, shed, net. Fill in the blanks with correct words given below. The hen lays egg in nest made of dry grass. The hen wanted to hatch her eggs. The hen found 2 eggs in the grass. Let's learn grammar. Write 5 names for each of these. Persons: mother, father, aunt, uncle, son and daughter. Places: home, forest, market, zoo, cinema hall and museum. Animals: lion, tiger, parrot, elephant, snake and monkey. Things: table, chair, television, pencil, sharpener and eraser.